coverage of a veterinary X-ray unit depends on its intended use and the specific manufacturer's instructions. Article 660 covers electrical equipment and installations used in industrial or commercial facilities, including equipment for material processing, manufacturing, research, and development. If the veterinary X-ray unit is being used primarily for veterinary purposes such as diagnosing and treating animals, it would likely fall under Article 660. Article 517, Part 5 covers electrical installations in healthcare facilities, including hospitals, clinics, and other healthcare providers. It includes requirements for equipment and installations used in patient care, such as medical imaging equipment. If the veterinary X-ray unit is being used in a veterinary clinic or hospital, it would likely fall under Article 517, Part 5. Without the manufacturer's instructions, it is difficult to make a definitive determination. However, based on the intended use of the X-ray unit, it is likely that it would fall under either Article 660 or Article 517, Part 5. Whether the entire building falls under Article 517 depends on its primary use. If the building is primarily a veterinary clinic or hospital, then it would likely fall under Article 517. This would apply to all electrical installations in the building, including the X-ray unit. If the building is primarily used for other purposes, such as residential or commercial, then the electrical installations would fall under the applicable articles based on the specific use of each area. For example, the veterinary X-ray unit would fall under either Article 660 or Article 517, Part 5, depending on its intended use. To summarize, firstly, determine the primary use of the X-ray unit. If it's for diagnosing and treating animals in a general veterinary setting, Article 660 is likely applicable. Secondly, if the X-ray unit is used within a dedicated veterinary clinic or hospital setting, Article 517, Part 5 is more likely to apply. Thirdly, consider the manufacturer's instructions, as these will provide specific guidance on the intended application and any relevant safety standards. Fourthly, assess the primary function of the building. If it's solely a veterinary clinic or hospital, the entire building may fall under Article 517. Fifthly, if the building has mixed uses, the X-ray unit's installation should comply with either Article 660 or Article 517, Part 5, based on its specific use case, while other areas of the building adhere to their relevant articles. Remember to consult with local electrical inspectors and qualified professionals to ensure compliance with all applicable codes and regulations. A thorough understanding of these factors will help determine the correct NEC article for a veterinary X-ray unit installation.